Jemmi and Chico show. And my birthday. And my birthday, and I want to lick the camera.
It's Jemmy's birthday today.
It's my birthday.
We're celebrating.
Yeah.
Her third birthday.
It's not her birthday yet,
well,
but
it's gonna be.
Yeah, it's in literally 3 days.
But
I'm
pretending
3.
it is.
I'm 3, and it's my birthday. Can I lick the camera in celebration?
She's getting
Sure.
Oh, she's saying hi. Oh my
It
gosh, she
will.
actually said hi.
Now let's show our a guest star, Chico.
Where is he?
He's not a guest
Oh,
star.
he looks so handsome.
Hello, I'm Chico, and
That's
Jemmy's
Jemmy's boyfriend.
Jemmy's stealing my spotlight. It's my birthday. Yeah, it is your birthday.
The couple of the century, Chico and Jemmy.
Jemmi.
They're gonna get married soon.
Or not. Jemmy's only 3.
Well, they're dogs.
Chico.
Don't you two start fighting.
You don't want to do that on camera. We are the Jemmi and Chico show. And I am, how old am I? I forget. Am I 10?
More on the Jemmi and Chico show later.
Yep. I was promised I'd get a Frosty Paw. You were not. I don't care. I still get Frosty Paw. In 10 centuries later.
What's she doing?
Jemmy's like, can it be
Jemmy's
cute?
not afraid of anything. She'll jump off that couch.
Can I lick the camera? Fine, lick the camera. Fine, lick the camera.
Does it taste good, Jemmy?
Lick the camera.
Oh my God.
She actually did it.
I think she understands us. Jemmy, do you understand what we're saying, Dodo?
No, I don't. I only understand what me, Jemmy, and me, Chico say. You're not Chico. Chico.
Look at how cute he looks.
Chico's so sad.
Chico, you're a skinny bone.
Chico's so sad. Jemmy's like taking over the episode.
She slapped him. Did you get that on camera?
No, I think so.
Is he sitting down for dinner?
Hey, can I have dinner? I'm sad.
Is he hungry?
Jemmy,
Are
take-
you hungry, bud?
Jamie taking over the episode.
Oh,
No, I'm not. Oh, she
Jemmy,
pushed
she really
it.
does want the spotlight.
She's like, it's my birthday,
Jemmy,
and it's
you're not the
not.
main character. This is a 2-person show.
Oh, I'm
Oh,
sad.
why does he look so sad?
Oh, he's so sad.
Chico, it's okay.
I'm sad.
Don't be sad, bud.
Chico, come here. You can have dinner. Jemmy. Chico, come here. Chico, come here. Do you want some dinner? Chico, come here.
Chico, are you hungry, buddy?
Come here. Do you want some dinner? That's dinner.
Guess not.
I don't want no dinner. I just want my show back.
That's too hard to get, Chico. Look who your partner's with.
I'm not his
Oh, he's
partner. I'm the star. He's the guest star.
I guess
No,
Chico
no.
is kind of a guest. Oh, he licked it too. Is the camera? Does it taste good or something?
I don't know. I'm really close to just licking it.
No, gross. Don't.
I don't know.
Especially after Chico licked it, his breath is so gross.
Yes,
It smells like a public bathroom.
Oh, gross.
It does. It's so bad. It smells horrible.
Jemmy.
Chico, you have a public bathroom in your mouth. It smells like you would need to do. You're so gross.
Jemmy's like, why don't I get pets?
Okay, fine. Since you're so jealous. Is
Jemmy.
she hungry?
Jemmy's like, no, I only playful. Jemmy, do you want to go get a toy? Do you want to go get a toy? Okay, come on, let's go get a toy. Do you want this toy? That's like half the size of Chico's head.
Wait, let's see if Chico will play with the binky.
Oh, yeah.
Because
Jemmy.
he loves his binky.
Okay, I'm going to go outside.
Okay, I'll be right there.
I also have a surprise for Jemmi.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What is it? Or do you want it to be a
I
surprise?
want it to be a surprise for everyone.
Okay.
Hey, Jemmi. Hold on.
Chico.
It's not going to be a surprise for the show, though.
Oh, okay. Oh, Chico's taking a pee.
Okay, guys. Jemmi! Go away!
Jemmi, you want your binky baby? Go get it. Look at her go.
Go get the tennis ball! That should keep her occupied for a while. Jemmi!
Dang, she's on your back.
Dang! Dang, girl!
She's got some sweet. Jemmi, you crazy thing.
Okay. I'm going to the back.
Okay, I'll come with you. Puppies, be
Jemmy's falling.
Don't follow us.
Jemmi, go away.
Jemmi, you're not invited.
I'm gonna have to call it in code. I'll put the code links on the screen. Can you like film my face?
Yes.
So we are.
Narrate this for us, Jewel.
We are.
What's going on?
Jemmi, go away. Go play with Chico.
Jemmi, she takes everyone's spotlight, even yours.
I am trying to make a surprise for you, Jemmi.
For real. Okay, let's go over here so she can't hear us.
She's following me.
Jemmi, you stalker.
Dang, girl.
She's a stalker.
Run!
I know, let's run away from her.
Run, Jade, run!
Oh my god. I don't want to step in dog poop.
Run!
Oh, okay, she's not following us. Okay.
She's distracted. It's a pill.
No, she's coming.
Run!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, please.
Where are we going?
Oh,
Ooh, chalk.
Moth's Fairyland.
I know, there's so many moths. Ooh, this is pretty. Did you draw this?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Did you draw those trees? You're better than I am.
No.
Shoot.
My mom drawed, I think, these three. I think I drawed this one.
Oh, that one's cute.
I can't remember the rest.
Oh my gosh, this is almost like
Jemmi, can you just
not
mind
8
your own
minutes long. Should we do another clip?
Yeah. So I have a special surprise for Jemmi, as you heard in the last clip. So we are making a special surprise party for her, and what she doesn't know is that we're getting her a gift tomorrow.
What?
I have no idea what I'm
Oh
doing.
my gosh.
Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing.
Well, do you know what the gift is? Or is it a secret?
I think it's gonna be a toy.
Really?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a new toy. For
We should get her a costume. Get her a costume.
yeah.
Wouldn't that be cute? Yeah, that's a good
I
idea.
should get her an owl costume since I'm gonna be Hermione Granger.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, you like Harry Potter?
Yeah. My friend Valentina's gonna be Harry Potter, and I'm gonna be Hermione, and I think Jemmi could be
Ron?
Harry's owl.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, Jemmi would be a great owl. They're scratching at the door.
He's like, come on, I won't be an owl.
Should we let them in? Or no? Are we still doing our interview?
Hold on.
Okay.
We can let them in 1 minute.
Okay.
So I'm also going to make a little bit of a party. Maybe we'll invite some of the neighborhood dogs around, and like they could play. Oh, we could invite Kaiser. Kaiser is the dog across the street.
Dog party?
He's like best friends with Jemmi.
Really? Well,
Yeah,
will Chico get jealous because that's his girlfriend?
Maybe.
Hanging out with another boy? Jemmi! She's hanging out with other boys?
But I mean, Kaiser's just a friend. He's known her
Okay,
since,
okay, I'll trust him.
Yes.
Fine.
She's known him since he was a baby.
Okay.
So,
Well, that's
he's
okay.
not, yeah, so I think we'll get some Frosty Paws. We'll have a huge party for Jemmy. Or my
Yeah.
idea of huge is tiny for a dog.
Well, it's okay. It's huge for them.
Yeah, actually, my idea is huge for a dog, but tiny for me.
Oh my gosh, you guys, stop interrupting us.
Stop it!
Let's see what they're up to.
Stop it.
Wait.
Okay. Hey, Jemmy, want to play with your help?
Chica.
I still have no idea what Jemmy's favorite color is. When she was really
Are you
little,
trying to figure it out?
when she was really little, she ate my green crayon, so at first I thought it was blue, so I got her like blue everything, but then she started eating my green crayon, so I thought it was green. I still don't know.
I think it's green then.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at her eyes. Look at her eyes. Wait.
Demon on.
That
Jemmy,
looks scary.
do you believe in demons?
Let's hope she's not one. She acts like a demon. Look at her.
She might secretly be a demon.
I think she has a little inside of her. Look at.
She might be a demon. Oh, no.
Jemmy, what are you not telling us, girl?
What if Jemmy is a demon?
I think she might be. Oh no!
Jemmy's a demon.
Don't hurt him. He's innocent.
Chico, run away.
Oh, look at how cute Chico
Poor
looks.
puppy.
Protect him.
I'm protecting him. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Jemmy's eyes look like demon eyes. Happy birthday to you. Put on.
Oh, they're fighting now.
Okay.
All right, let's eat some cake.
Chico, do you want to play the peanut butter?
Oh yeah, let's give him his peanut butter.
No, Jemmy! Jemmy!
Okay,
You already
Chico.
had your treat. Chico, you can eat it. Aww,
He loves that.
Chico loves it.
He loves peanut butter. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Okay, do you want to eat some cake, Julie?
Yeah, I think that's gonna get messy.
Okay, I'll cut it for us.
Hey!
Ooh.
Cake.
Ice cream cake.
Yes, it's ice cream.
Should we watch a show
Cake.
while we eat?
Yeah, let's watch some more of Camp Kikiwaka.
I agree. The show's good. Okay, what half of the cake do you want? Do you want
I
this
want-
Oreo on it?
Yeah, I want
Both
chocolate.
Oreos?
Yeah, I want
Or
chocolate
do you want
Oreo.
this? Chocolate Oreo?
Yeah.
Here, let me give you the bigger one. Ooh, it's hard to cut into.
I mean, it is like covered in ice cream.
Yeah, it's like kind of frozen, but it's okay. I'll get it.
It's okay. We'll eventually get it any year now.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna 1 year later.
1 year later. We're still cutting the cake.
Okay, got it.
Finally, after a year.
Okay, let me go get your plate.
It's beautiful.
Oh my gosh, look at him. He's still eating his peanut butter.
Oh, he loves
He loves it.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I worked really hard editing it. My hair sucks, I'm sorry. This was like a year ago. I loved it. Loved doing it. My dog Jemmy is almost 4 now. Her birthday is on September 14th. Just a couple days after my dad's birthday. So I hope you liked Jemmy turning 3. I promise you won't be like that with Chico next time. Bye. Before you guys go, I need you to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And quick disclaimer, Chico is not my dog. He is Kate's dog. Kate was the one who was babysitting me. My parents weren't home. That's why Kate was with me. So Chico is not my dog. Kate brought him over. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and share. Bye.